Hello everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and I just got this flexible curtain track ceiling side, whatever, this is the brand name, VRSS. This is kind of what it looks like. That's all that's on the front of it. So let's open this up, do an unboxing. So here are the brackets, I guess, that you screw into the ceiling or wherever you plan to be putting that. Here's it. Here it looks like what are these? These are the wheels, I guess, that go on this track that are going to be sliding back and forth. So those are the wheels. Here is the track. So it's raveled out. I think I got almost 10 feet worth of track. Here's some mounting anchors that they give you. I don't know what that is. Maybe that's an end cap. That looks like an end cap. This is another end cap. Here's some screws, probably for the anchors. And then here's the hooks that you're going to be putting on here, like that. So that's about it. And here is the instructions that they give to you, if you guys want to give that a little pause. And that's it. So that's about it. I mean, for the unboxing that I can give you. So it feels really, wow, really stiff. I don't know how stiff. I never worked with this before, so I do not know how stiff it is supposed to feel. So I'm thinking I'm going to heat this up a little bit with a hair dryer or something similar, and then I'm going to heat that up, and yeah, I'm going to see what's up. So that's it for the unboxing review. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. All right? Everybody enjoy. Be safe. Have now. Bye-bye.